So how do we build this website, the static website on the cloud? So let's get started with this new project. This is going to be a new format with the music playing around so that it's more engaging. So I've created a new project over here. Here is the project name. First of all, let me delete the old bucket so that you can follow along the tutorial side by side. Alright. So first of all, let's export the project over here. The second thing to note is to create the bucket over here. So if you go over here, the cloud storage part, you'll be able to see the bucket. Sometimes it doesn't come. So in that case, you can point down to the same exact part over here, and if the bucket is created, you'll see the bucket over here. Right now you don't have anything over here. And the second thing that we need to do is to make this publicly accessible. So right now you don't see something about public data. Let's check what it does. So you get this pop-up at the top showing that it's publicly accessible. The third thing that we need to do is to copy all our files recursively into that bucket. Right now I'm in the same location where my index.html and the readme file is there, so I'm copying. So once we do that, if we refresh the page, we'll see the file over here. The fourth thing that we need to do is to make sure that we use this particular setting. This actually tells us when people visit our website, it's going to point to index.html instead of listing down all the files that you have over here. So let's do this. And then let's gonna run this. So yeah, so this is being hosted and shown to all the users. So if you want to go and build your own websites, there are actually 3 steps that you need to follow. The first, that you need to buy the domain. You can buy a cheap domain from GoDaddy, Namecheap. The second is to set up your DNS. So this basically tells that in your domain register where exactly do you want them to point when users hit your website in the internet, and then you deploy the website. So currently we have done the third step, but I have added the instructions in case you want to buy a domain from GoDaddy. You can follow these instructions and you can have your website up and running in less than 5 minutes. Alright, it was a great tutorial and I hope that you like the new format. So signing off today.